Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be building an email template, and I've already designed the email in Figma, as you can see, and there's no color at all, just the black, gray, and white. It's going to be a basic color scheme, and all right, let's get to it. I already have some images here that I will need. I'm just going to create the MJML file. This MJML. I'm gonna put. I'm trying to do this video kind of a little faster than the other videos. The other videos kind of long. Trying to hurry up and complete this project. At the head. At the body. All right. On the body, I'm gonna put a background color so we can distinguish the email from the background. I'm gonna put this F5 EBC7. All right, I'm gonna save it. Control-Shift-P to bring this up. Click on the MJML, export HTML. That will create an index.html file right there. So this will equal this. Good stuff. All right, let's go live. That's the background. Get rid of these. All right, let's move this to the side here. Let me get rid of the. Keep it up. All right. First, I want to focus on this hero section header with this text overlay. With the button, with the title, subheader, or subtitle, and a button, call to action. So let's do that. In this column, I'm gonna have sorry, I'm gonna have a background image. Let's put background URL. I have the makeup image in my file. Let's see how that is. There's nothing much right now. Oh, I'm gonna add a little bit of background. Size. Cover and a background. Repeat, no repeat. All right, save that. Let's go to the actual column. I'm gonna have this width of 600 pixels. I'm gonna put a CSS class in here so I can mess with the opacity of the image. Class of OP or opacity 1. Let's give it a padding of 70 pixels by 16. Let's see how that looks. All right. And for the overlay, let's do the MJ text, align, center. Let's make this, let's put the space first. Let's make this color all white text. We got that. Let's close it up. And index for the text, I'm gonna put at H1. Let's go here and let's try to generate some. Let's see where I can. PD. Do it here. Let's just copy all of it. So I have to come back. Let's cut it down to this much. Let's see what we got. Oh, there we go. We got the overlay text. And for the subtitle, maybe H3, another, do another, let's copy this, period. Make it a little shorter, see how that is. We got that. The next thing to do, make the call to action button. I'm gonna create an MJML class for this button. Let's make it BTN1. Let's color it. Make the white color. Make the width 140 pixels. It's going to be an arch href. If I can get it. Close it up and let's put shop now. And let's close the button up. Let's see what we got. We got a great background. For this MJ, we're gonna need to put MJ attribute. Attributes. that, close it up. And in this, we're going to put that MJ class of class, sorry. So we're going to put the name of the class, which is btn1. And we're going to have a border of 2 pixels, solid, and white background. Border, I mean. That, and we're going to have the background color of transparent. Let's get the font size in there. We get 500. Sorry, a little bit too much. Put the font weight 500. And let's close this class up. Let's see what we got. There we go. We got that. So for the background, I had, let's close this up. This class right here, the CSS class of OP1. So in here, after the attributes, let's put in MJ style. Then we can actually put the OP1 here. It's like regular CSS. Let's put the background and let's put it to the RGBA 0, 0, 0, an alpha of 0.5. Let's see what that gives us. All right. The only thing is these paddings from top and bottom. So in the section, I need to put padding of 0. There we go. So let's reference back to our design. Let's, well, okay. We got this part done. So let's focus on these 2 columns. We got an image or an icon. We got a title and a little paragraph description for 2 of these. So we're gonna make a section with 2 columns. You see the column right there? All right, let's do that. Let's close it up a little bit more. All right. So we got this section finished. Let's close it up. Separate this and start on the next section. All right. For the background, let's do it white. There we go. So you can see it. I want a padding of 50 pixels by 20 pixels. I keep on saving it in order for you guys to see what exactly each change is and what exactly what I'm doing. That's why I like to see in tutorials, like I want to see every change, what exactly this does, and yeah. So in the column, I'm going to put width. I want it half, so 50%. And in this column, I want an image. We get the image. We're gonna make it a link. So href hashtag. Let's do a width of pixels. Border radius. I don't think I have this at 100. Let's put the actual image here. Icon minus 3G. And let's close it up. Let's see what we got. We got that. We got that going. The next is the text. Start with the text. And in this text, I'm gonna align it, center. We're gonna put an H3 in here. We're gonna put a little style in here. The font size of 18 pixels. And it's gonna be lower IMSM. So it's gonna let's see about that. And underneath it, we're gonna put out P for paragraph. I'm gonna put another style. We're gonna copy this, paste it, and we're gonna put 16 pixels. Oh, I didn't save anything. So I'm gonna grab some of the lower ipsum here. You know what? Let's create a little bit more. Bring it back here. That section. Let's put it in here to see how that is. All right. Shorten it just a little bit. A little bit more. Put it here. Okay, that's fine. All right. Let's check our design. All right. We got that. Minimize it, and all we have to do is just copy this column inside this section. So the section is here, and the column it's right here. So I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna change the image. Save it. Boom. We got that. Side by side. Everything is good. All right. All right. Let me show you the next part. We're gonna do this little title here, and we're gonna start on these columns of it's supposed to be an image here, and a little description and all the products and how much they are, and a call to action for each one. So let's focus on this and let's get back. So this section is complete. We're going to start off on the next section. Inside the section, I want to align it center. And in this section, I'm going to have an H2. We're going to put some, where is that? Our Ipsum here. What we have. All right, we need a background. Just gonna do the background in a white color. There we go. Actually, add on and let's put a paragraph in here. And copy this and just shorten it a little bit. Let's do the style, font, size. Try 26 pixels. Okay. Wait, actually showing this up. And let's put a font size on the paragraph as well. Do 16. Okay. We got that. I just added this extra text to start on the image, description, price, and a call to action. All right, we got that section done. Another section. Whoops. You know what I would like to see is your guys' project. Maybe you can link it in the comments. That'd be pretty cool. Or maybe just follow me on LinkedIn. I'll put the link in the description. I'm very curious on what you guys are working on. Get the section. Let's do the background first. And I'll also do it white. Let's see how that is. Okay, we got that that section going. And for these, I'm gonna put the width of 33.33%. So if we do some math here, so 100 divided by 3, it's going to be 3 sections, is 33.33. That's why I put that, if you guys were wondering. What else am I going to put in here? So padding, 50 pixels. Let's see how that is. Okay. And then this column, I'm going to add an image. I'll put it align center with 150 pixels. Source is gonna be from image. Thing is called square one PNG. Let's close it up. That's what we got. Okay, that's supposed to be the image. And in this image, let's see our design. Okay, next is the title and the price and the call to action. Let's do that. It's going to be MJ text. Let's put it align center. Up. We're going to have an H3. Let's put the style. Let's put the font size to 18 pixels. And I'm going to add this lower Ipsum. Okay. Beneath it, we're going to add the price. We have it for $30. Let's do some font size in this. Make it a little smaller. Let's make it 16. I also want to add a paragraph. Let's grab some Ipsum here. Let's try this length. So we got a little description here. See our design. Now we just added the description on the bottom. That's fine. Let's make it shorter. I'm gonna get rid of that. Let's leave it how it was. All right, we got that. I think we need the button next, right? Okay, shop now button. We actually can go up here and copy what we have in this section. Paste it here. Let's see what we got. Oh, I put it inside the text. No good. Outside. There we go. Let's change it up and put the border. I'm gonna take off this part and put border. Actually, let's leave the color and just add the background color. We're gonna add a border of 2 pixels solid. We're gonna make this black. Rid of this border radius none. Font size, let's make it 16 pixels. Href. All right, we just need the color. Also black. There you go. Let's see, reference our design. All right. How about let's take off, try this without it. Yeah, just leave it like that. Just make it simple. All right. So what I told you guys, what I'll do for the columns, just copy this and just copy it twice since I'm going to be having 3. So let's see, and boom. Let's see our design. All right, we got the 3. We get the links, the call to action. All right. Seems like a little space here. Let's see, expect it. Let's just enlarge it. See what it's the padding, the margin. I just leave it like that for now, and let's keep on going with our design. So the next section will be an image. So you can see we got this done. All right, let's focus on this. It's just simply an image. To the section, background of white. Let's close this section up. Whoop. Get the column. Let's add the image. Okay. Image. Whoop. Just gonna put the same way as we put on the header hero section. See what we got. All right. So this one's the same one as up here. Just to keep it simple. So yeah, we got that image. More. So that we got that. Next will be this, which is kind of like this. So let's focus on this, and this is the same thing as this column over here. We just one and a call to action. So let's do that. So do this and so we could just close this section, and look for this section up here, which I believe is this one right here. Just copy this, close that up. So we have that. We can take off the paragraph and just leave title. We can just leave that. All right. on to the next section, which I said is the same as appear. Let's do that, but with a different icon. So it's going to be up here. Maybe that one. Copy this. Sorry if I'm going a little fast here. Just want to not make this a long video. Background color, white. Padding, bottom, 90 pixels. Close it up. Close this up. And actually put that column that something's wrong here. Not be used inside the MJ body. Whoa. I went outside, I believe. Let's just go back. Let's just take this out. I closed it. Oh, I think this part right here. We got that. We got the text. There we go. Move this a little back. Wrong here. Oh, I got this. I was like, what the hell? Okay. Let's reference our design. This one's a little smaller. We need to add that width of 50. Okay, let's reference the design. Wrong icon, so let's choose the icon. I believe it's 2. There you go. I got that set up. Let's check that's the padding for this one. Oh. So let's do the button next. Let's just add it here. We did the button that was up here. Let's close this. Make this bigger a little bit, a little smaller. Copy this button. Let's put this in here. All right. Let's see. All right, we got that. Let's make it like a black color, like kind of like this right here. So we're gonna take off. Let's put the background. And let's get rid of the border. Make the text inside white. Okay. There we go. All right. It's coming along. We're almost done. We just need the footer, I believe. In the footer, we have, these are icons, supposed to be icons. And this is supposed to be like the address or the contacts, and of course the ending here. All the rights reserved. All right, let's do the footer. Okay. Let's close this up. All right, we're gonna actually put a wrapper around this footer. So it'll be together. A wrapper with the background of light gray. Let's just get rid of this and close it up. We got that wrapper. We're gonna put a section. We're gonna put a column. And in this column, we're gonna have NJ Social, the font size, put it to 16 pixels. Icon size 30 pixels. Let's see how that looks. Mode horizontal. If I could spell horizontal. All right. Let's see how that looks. So we got that gray background, and in this, we're gonna actually put the icons. Social element. The name is gonna be Instagram. Let's make it have a link. We're gonna have a padding to 0 and 18 pixels to separate them. We're gonna close it up. Let's see how that looks. All right, we got that. We're just gonna copy this. We're gonna have 4 icons. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. See how that is. All right, let's reference our design. Yeah, we got the 4 right there. There we go. The next would be where the address or the contact would be. Kind of like having this part, so I'm just going to copy that part, which is, I guess, this column. I'll just do the whole section. So this is section below. See how that looks. Now we just have to take off the image here. Take off. See how that looks. All right, and take off the button. There we go, and we just copy the column. Oops, that's supposed to be another section. Right, they take off the padding here. There we go. And for the last section, it's gonna be like this one right here. We're gonna have that, and we're gonna have that 2023 all rights reserved. It's right here. Remove the background. That's too big. Let's do it 16. Let's check the reference. Let's make it a little bigger here. Do a paragraph. Let's see how that is. That's better. Let's make it 18. All right. Take off a little bit of let's reference the design. Start from the top. Oh. All right, we got that. Got these two columns. We got this. We got the 3 images. The title and the price with the call to action. We got this image here. We got another title. Got another column with another call to action. And we got the footer. And there you go. Let's make this bigger here. Do you see the whole thing? All right. See if it's responsive. Let's do this. Yeah, it's responsive. We got the column to collapse right there. So make it smaller. All right, what about these? Yep. These collapse too. All right. All right, there you go. An email template using MJML. I thought it was going to be a little shorter video, but I guess I went over my time limit. That's all right. Just as long as I get the point across of how to do these type of emails. It will be a promotional email template. All right. Like and subscribe. And please leave a comment. I like to hear from you and where you're from. What's your occupation? Do you guys do the web development, email development? Just let me know so we get in touch. And I like to network and learn from other people. Close that up. All right. It was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. On to the next video. Goodbye.